Hi, it's Jill from HotTub.Parts. Today I'm going to show you how to spin a wet end on a spa pump and also some tricks on wiring a new motor. The wet end comes with a discharge straight up out of the box from the factory. If you need to spin your wet end to fit your application, I'll show you how to do that now. First, loosen the 4 motor bolts at the back end of the pump. Important, just get them loosened from the wet end, don't take them all the way out. Once they are loosened, you can spin your wet end in the direction needed. After the mounts line back up with the motor, you can reattach the motor bolts to the wet end again. Now let me show you about the wiring. Make sure you wire the new motor the same way as the old motor. In other words, if the red wire has high speed on the old motor, make sure you put red on the high speed terminal on the new motor. If black was on high speed terminal, then put the black wire on high speed on the new motor. Different brand spa packs over the years use different color wires for high and low speed. Just make sure you wire it the same as the original was and you'll have no troubles. In our example here, we put red on high speed and black on low speed. White will always go on the C or common terminal and the green wire will always go on the grounding screw. Sometimes this pump is used to replace a single speed motor. If that's the case, put the black wire on the H terminal, put the white wire on the C terminal, and put the green wire on the grounding screw. This is the bonding lug. Always make sure your motor is bonded to the rest of the hot tub equipment. And that's everything you need to know about spinning a wet end and wiring up a replacement spa pump. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.